If your Hyundai Ioniq is failing to launch Apple CarPlay, don't worry, because most connection issues are software-related and solved in minutes. Statistically, 80% of persistent CarPlay failures come down to a damaged or data-incompatible Lightning or USB-C cable. Let's run through the diagnostic steps to get your infotainment system back on track. Start by testing a high-quality data cable, checking your iPhone privacy restrictions, and cleaning the charging port to ensure a solid connection. If hardware is fine, perform a clean pair by deleting the device from both the car's memory and your phone's Bluetooth list. For deeper glitches, use a paperclip on the infotainment reset pinhole to force a full system reboot without losing your radio presets. Most issues are solved at home, but if the port is physically damaged or the head unit is unresponsive, it is time for a professional diagnosis. As shown here, the vast majority of cases are resolved by simply addressing cable and software configuration issues. If you're still stuck, check the official Hyundai Update portal to ensure your vehicle's firmware is current with the latest CarPlay protocols. Keep a small kit with a verified data cable and a paperclip in your glove box for quick troubleshooting on the go. Always remember that software is fickle, but a clean and secure physical connection is almost always the key to a stable ride. If these steps fixed your connection, let us know in the comments and subscribe for more Ioniq maintenance tips.